Recognizing the importance of nutrition and academic success, the Marcos administration has placed a strong emphasis on improving the health and well-being of the country's young learners. To reinforce this commitment, the government significantly increased the budget for the Department of Education on DepEd school-based feeding program, tripling its original allocation. PTV's Floyd Brands has the report.
Teresita Reyes, a waste speaker, struggles to make ends meet with her daily earnings of 200 pesos. This amount barely covers the basic needs of her grandchildren.
Napakahirap po. Minsan po kasi kulang sa budget.
Ilang beses po kayo nakaka-access?
Minsan po, dalawa. Minsan po, isa.
Despite her challenges, Teresita expresses her gratitude on the feeding programs in their school which benefit her grandkids, which help elevate their daily struggles.
Masaya po sila dahil nabubusog po sila. Masigla po sila, masaya. Nakakabawas po sa budget namin yung ganyan.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has directed the Education Department to focus on improving the nutrition of school children. According to DepEd, the budget for the school-based feeding program has been tripled from over 3 billion pesos to 11 billion pesos with plans to cover more children. The program aims to provide nutritious meals to children from kindergarten through elementary school. With a total of 160 feeding days and an additional 15 days for the National Learning Camp, the initiative is set to address malnutrition in the country. Education Secretary Sani Angara emphasized the importance of nutrition, especially for young children whose brains develop rapidly before they reach 5 years of age.
We have this exam called the Carla exam. It measures the literacy ng bata, yung ability to read. Nag-improve siya, especially at the early grades. So parang pinapakita na the earlier we intervene, mas maganda.
Meanwhile, the Department of Social Welfare and Development is stepping up efforts to ensure no Filipino goes hungry. The DSWD is currently providing monthly food assistance of 3,000 pesos to 300,000 households, benefiting over 1 million Filipinos. The agency's Walang Gutom Kitchen also continues to distribute hot meals to those in needs.
Dapat wala pong Pilipino na magiging gutom. Kung kaya nga po, tinitiyak ng DSWD na nag-harmonize, nag-align yung iba't ibang mga programa at serbisyo ng national government agencies, and that would continue to partner with the private sector so that we could collectively come up with sustainable solutions that would ultimately address the problem on hunger and malnutrition.
From PTV Manila, Floyd Brands, Balitang Pambansa.